Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good start of the weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on XRP. Wanted to do a quick update here, I think for obvious reasons. And that's also what we'll focus on most, the technical situation here, which is just quite bullish. We got a nice bump. I mean, if you look at the chart like this, so this is quite zoomed out, of course, there's not much you can see. But we actually did get a nice bump, right? So you can see that right here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. What you can see is that there's a ton of momentum coming in, some big buys opened. And that's what I wanted to talk about, all right? Because I'll be honest, I did buy XRP here earlier this morning. Also shared in the premium group. While this is loading, because the internet right now is not working with me. But no, what we saw, and so what we saw is a lot of momentum coming in, probably some small group of traders or whales, whatever, buying into the price, while the open interest spiked up as well. So they're still in, at least for now. Managed to break above 60 cents, which is a key level we have been talking about for basically in every XRP video as well. Broke above that and is now respecting the breakout. For now, right? Because the big question is, and we have talked about this scenario, right? I mean, we have the appeal deadline coming up. What is it? I'm not even sure. Like it's the 6th. Yeah. So next week Sunday. So probably practically next week Friday. I think it's then going to be. So we have that coming up, and we all know that before that we can actually see some momentum in both directions. But what I've always said is that I think it's most likely that that's going to be bullish momentum, right? And I think we are seeing that so far, but we do have to kind of stand the test of this weekend. Because we had a very, well, I wouldn't say similar scenario, but we had a somewhat similar scenario last week, all right? Last week in the weekend, we also got a strong buy coming in on Saturday. And back then it was just one whale buying and then selling off his entire position into retail, which you can see here as well. Right, open interest goes up and then slowly it just gets sold off. This could still be the same, and that is why I still think, like, I bought, all right, because the technical setup was too great. I bought at 60 cents, so that's a good entry, all right. I think that if you also look at the fundamentals coming up, I think that's a trade you have to take just to take the risk. But this could still, even though I bought it, this could still turn into something bad, and the main thing to watch for that is the open interest, all right? Do we see some sort of an indication of a slow sell-off, some sort of a T-WAP, right? So that a whale basically sells off every 30 minutes, which looks like this, right? So basically like stares down. If that starts happening, then this move is probably fake, all right? Because for whales, the current timing with the deadline coming up is also ideal timing to get retail like me excited and buy into XRP, right? So I think we need to be able to hold some sort of a breakout here on the higher time frames, maybe get another breakout. Like there's another level right here at the current price at like 61.5 cents. If we're also able to break above that, I will assume this is a real move and we're moving for 64 or 65 cents at least. If we're not able to get that breakout, or if the open interest starts laddering down a bit, then this is probably a fake move and we'll just drop back down into the consolidation between 57.5 and 60 cents again. And then we'll wait for new momentum. So that's kind of what to see right now. Because I am long, I'm slightly leaning towards thinking that we are going to be bullish here, and that we will get that breakout, or at least that we will see sustained bullish momentum. But that is, I am biased on that, right? Because I am long myself as well. Looks quite good. If we're able to hold levels, can be much, much better. We can see actually a relatively nice rally ahead of the appeal. So do be prepared for that. But for now, I think that's everything you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.